Good morning. Welcome to another Designer's Den. I'm Kelsey here with Stacy.
Hello.
And we are at the Firestone location with this wonderful, trending, modern, rustic area, and we're going to break it down for you. So let's start with this wonderful dining table and show some of the rustic features and modern features in this entire space.
It's got a really nice grain on the wood, keeps it really, rustic. Kind of gives it that natural characteristic of wood, but we have our style, modern style of chairs. They're swivel, I love them. The fabric is a boucle fabric, just really cleans it up, very mid-century modern.
I love the breakdown too of colors. We have a little bit darker on the table and then you go really light on the chairs, and the function too, like you said, with the swivel is really great and really trending right now. So some other trending items too is just real simplistic on the table with your accessories.
Yep.
So we have just a pot here with another little pot inside, but still really makes a big statement on the center of the table, but still simple, and still brings in a little bit of that modern and rustic feel. Also under the table.
Love it, I love the hides.
Yeah, so we have these cow hides, and it's two different cow hides. So if your space is a little bit larger, like this table is here, a really great idea is pairing two
together to make it a little longer.
And then it covers the entire space here as well. So we want to know what your style is. Is it modern, rustic, or is it a combination of both? All right, so comment below and we will see you next time.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.